Hi boys and girls, back again with more counting here, practicing our shapes, our counting, and some tally marks too, okay? So we've talked about this a few times. When we see objects in a circle, how do we count that so that we don't get confused? So first, you remember what shape this is? Circles, yes. We have some circles here and they're in the shape of a circle. So in order to help us remember where we started counting, we have to mark it. So you can put your finger on it, or you can even mark it with a pencil or something. Oh, there it goes. Make a little mark so that we know that I'm gonna start here. And when I go all the way around the circle and I come back to the blue line, I need to stop, because otherwise I'm gonna be counting the circles again, and that's gonna mess up my number. So I'm gonna start right here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop! Did you tell me? I hope so. Remember, that's the reminder to stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles. Let's see, put the right one in the middle. Around and a little loop. There we go. All right, let's show 6 with tally marks. I don't know if we've really done 6 with tally marks before. I'll come over here so you can see better. So every circle we have, I need to make a tally mark for. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. When I get to 5, I make that slash. 5, and then I leave a little space. 6. 6 tally marks, 6 circles. And remember, another trick for our brains and our eyes is when we see that group like that, we know right away that's 5. That slash, that slant line helps us remember that there's 5 in that group. Kind of like the top of a tent frame. Okay, let's see what's next. What shape do we have here? Triangles. Now, one thing I noticed, there's triangles all over the place. So, if you remember, one of the best things to do if we have to count how many and they're scattered around is we need to line them up. That will make it easier. So I'm just gonna move them in line. Oh, I could even make partners, couldn't I? This guy doesn't want to go. There he goes. Maybe we'll do some partners. Does that one have a partner? Nope, not enough. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 1, 2, 3. So let's put it all together and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 and 3 make 7. We've talked about that before. Okay, let's tally mark it. 1 tally for each triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slash makes 5. Leave a space. 6, 7. And I bet you, if you ask the grown-ups at your house to just look at your tally marks, they could tell you right away how many there are. Because as you get used to using tally marks, your brain just remembers 5, 6, 7 becomes a quick way to count. So yes, when we have shapes scattered around, we want to line them up to make it easy counting, and we can even do tally marks. 4 triangles and 3 more triangles make 7. Okay, what shape are we looking at here? With our letter friend, rectangles. Yes. Okay, let's make a mark where we're going to start. Let's use the pool. I'm going to start here this time. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. There we are. Oh, 8. We haven't really gotten to 8. I'm going to move this over a little bit. Okay, I'm going to make an 8 in the middle. You ready? You make a letter S. And now you just go up and connect them. Isn't that kind of cool? Sometimes when you get older, you'll see people will make it a little curvier on the way up. And you can do that too. But for now, we know the letter S. We can make the letter S and you just go back up and it closes it up and it makes the number 8. Okay, let's tally mark it. I'm going to use our regular pen for that so they're not so glowing. We have to make 8 tally marks. So let's remember how we do that special group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3 more makes 8. 8 rectangles. Last one. What shape do we have? Yeah, we're looking at some squares. My favorite color squares too. Okay, they're kind of mixed up, so let's line them up first to make them easy to count. Maybe I'll just do one big line this time. Last time we made partners, you can do that too. Okay, let's count them. I'm gonna make a tally mark while we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, 8. If we left our tally marks like that, that's really no different than just having our squares up there. We would still have to count them again. So that's why we use the special slash when we get to 5. So I'm gonna kind of take these ones away, because it really didn't help me very much, did it? I made 8 lines. Now let me show you again why that slash in the group of 5 is so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's my 8. You ready? Make an S. And then go back up. So we're working with our shapes, we're remembering tally marks, and our numbers. Go ahead to Seesaw and you can check out your activity on there today. Good job, boys and girls.